Hello dear student, I am Ravindra Kumar, your mathematics teacher. Today we will learn about class 3rd, subject mathematics. Okay, now already we have read about topic 2nd and 3rd. Unit या chapter topic 2nd or 3rd. In this both topic we have addition and subtraction part. Now we will teach about addition and subtraction. In the previous class we will teach the normal part of addition and subtraction. Now we will teach about the higher part of addition and subtraction. We will start with addition. It have a example you have. This is bigger part of addition. It have 4 row, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and the column is also 4. Then 4 row, 4 column is higher part of addition. Now start with abacus scale. It is the ones of abacus. It is the 10th of abacus, and it is the 100 of abacus, and it is the 1000 of abacus. This is the scale of abacus. First column is called ones part, second column is called tens part, and third column is called 100 parts, and fourth column is called 1000 part. Now we will add the fourth row and fourth column addition. Firstly we will use the first column. In this way we will write the normal addition part on this way. Now we will start the first column. We will represent as a first column this is our first column. You all see that 8, 3, 3 and 2. It is our first column. Now we will add the first column like 8 add by 3 and add by also 3 and then add by 2. Okay, now you already learned about the addition of this 4 number. 8 add by 3 is like 11. 11 add by 3 is like 14, and add by 2 is like 16. Now all 4 numbers addition is 16. Now we have the first number on the first columns behind the part like 6, and the 1 is carrying on the another part of this 10th column, like that is addition. Now the 16 one number is 6, and there 1 is carrying on the 10th column. Now we have the second column is like 10th column. It's have 7, 4, 4 and 8, and 1 is carrying. Now like 7 add by 4, add by 4, add by 8. 7 add by 4 is 11. 11 add by 4 is 15, and 15 add by 8 is 23, and 1 is also we have a carry. Okay, you all see this, 1 is also a carry. Now we will add the 1 also. Now 23 and 1 24. 1 and 7 8, 8 and 4 12, 12 and 4 16, 16 and 8 24. Now we have 24. First number of 4 is written by second column of 10th, and the carry is 2. 2 is also carry. Now the carry is going to 100 part, 100 column. Now we will the add of third column. Third column like this. We have third column 3, 3, 7 and 2, and also carry is 2. So we will start with carry 2, first 3, second also 3, third 7 and 2. Fourth part is 2. Now we will add 2 add by 3 is 5. 5 added by 3 is 8. 8 added by 7 is 15. And 15 added by 2 is 17. Okay. Now 7 is going to 100 part. And 1 is carry on the 1000 part. Okay. Now we will add, as it is the 1000 part, it means fourth column. Fourth column. Now we will start with carry 1, 4, 7, 8 and 1. 1, add 4, 7, 8 and 1. Okay, that's our last and final 1000 part. 1, 4, 7, 8 and 1. 1 add by 4, 5. 5 add by 7, 12. 12 add by 8, 20. And 20 add by 1, 21. Now it is the whole part of 21 written by in this way, because it have no carries part. Okay, it have no carries part. आगे carries part के लिए कुछ भी कॉलम नहीं है, तो 21 का whole part 21 we will write this way. Okay, now you all do this way of addition. Now we will read about the second of subtraction. We will teach the higher of part of subtraction. It have example you have. Now it is the write as a abacus scale. First is ones on the abacus scale, second is tenths, and third column is hundreds, and fourth column is thousands. Now it is the higher part of subtraction. You already read about the normal part of subtraction. It is easy to subtract. Okay, now we will the difficult part of subtraction. Now we will take the first column of this subtraction. Now 2 is less by 7. It is hard that 2 is small and 7 is bigger. Now normally we will not subtract. Now we will take the borrow of one number with 4. Okay, because 2 is less than 7. So 4 is take a borrow to the 2. Now 4 is take the borrow, it's become 1 and 2, 12. Okay, and 4 take a borrow, then it is also become 3. You all know about? Now it's become 12. Like 2 become 12. Up now 12 less by 17. First column. 12 less by 17. 12 less by 17, resultant is 5. Now we will take the 5 on the first column. Now 4 is become 3. Now 3 less by 6, it is also difficulty, because 3 is less and 6 is greater than the 3. Now 3 is also borrow one number with 3. Now 3 given the one number, it's become 13, and 3 take one number, then it's become 2. Now 13 less by 6, column number second. 13 less by 6. Now we will easily do the subtract about 13 less by 6. It's become 7. Now 7 is tens column. Under the tens column. Now we will start with 100 column. We will do 100 column. It have 2 and less by 4. It is more difficulty. It is hard because 2 is less and 4 is greater than the 2. Now also we will do the same process of this way. 7 take a carry. 7 take a carry to the 2. It's become 12. 2 have borrow a carry with 7. Now 12 less by 4, the third column. 12 less by 4. Now we will easy do the 12 subtract by 4. It's become 8. Now we will take this way 8. Now 7 take a carry to the 12. It's become 6. Now 6 12 by 2 is easiest part of subtraction. 6 less by 2. The fourth part is also easy. 6 less by 2. It's become 4. Now we will take the 4 on the thousandth column. Okay. Now we will resultant of this subtract in this way. Now harder part of this subtraction we will do in this way. Okay. Now you have some example to take in your homework. Okay. Next we will give you some example of addition and subtraction. Now you have example of addition and subtraction. First example is there, fourth column and fourth row. Okay, you also solvable yourself. Now the second is subtract example, fourth column and second row. Now the third is also a addition. Okay, and fourth example is also a subtraction. Now you have 4 example and you also solve this example in your homework, and next day we will do the outer part and higher part of this addition and subtraction. Now you all see this for example with pause your video. Thank you.